Hello there guys, welcome to the latest video, and today we're at Hertford North, situated on the Hertford Loop line, I believe. So today you'll be seeing services purely by Great Northern. And here is 313035 terminating in from Moorgate. We also saw the 1217 service to Moorgate, which arrived, which is 717018. So without further ado, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Hertford North. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, arriving in now is the 1235 Great Northern service to Watton at Stone. On the front is 313032. With 313059, sorry. There you go. Okay, departing areas 313035 and 313122, forming the 1230 Great Northern service to Moorgate. The 1235 is still here. I think that's got another 5 minutes to wait here, so we'll film this when it departs. Okay, arriving in now is 717025, terminating in from Moorgate. Nice depot whistle there. And there that is. Perfect. Okay, getting ready to depart is the 1235 Great Northern service to Watton at Stone. Forgotten what the front set was, but on the rear is 313059. Lovely view down there. Okay, getting ready to depart is 717025, I believe. It is, yes, I think. I think they're doing something. When is it till that goes green? I think it's till that goes green actually. False alarm. Okay, departing now is 717025. I believe this is actually on driver test or driver training. Because it's not allowed anybody on. goes. Perfect. They do come in very slowly, I've noticed. Okay, arriving in now is a terminating service from Moorgate. It's formed of another 717. I'm going to come over here. We also have the 1247 arriving in as well, going off to Moorgate on platform 1. Sorry. This is 717 007. Yes, it is. And this is actually from Moorgate. If we're about to turn over here, we have the 1247 Great Northern Service to Moorgate from Watton At Stone. It's 313052. Find out what's on the rear. Film this when it departs. Okay, departing now is the 1247 Great Northern Service from Watton At Stone to Moorgate, 313052. With 313060, and as that continues off, I shall leave the video here. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you've seen here, then please do comment, share, subscribe and all that stuff. My next station is Retford, which is up on the East Coast Main Line. I also apologise that this is a short video. I will be here again, don't worry. So I'll see you all later. Bye guys.